So today we are going to be drawing a velociraptor step by step, and I have a special guest with me, my nephew,
William.
So grab that pencil and paper and we'll get started. So step one, we're going to draw the line of motion to guide our drawing as we go. So remember to draw big, and you're going to start right here, like that, and a slight curl, and remember to draw light. Step two, we are going to be drawing 3 circles, and these circles are going to be to where we can draw a guide for our head, the chest area, and the hip area. So we're going to draw the smallest circle on the very top, and then we're going to draw our chest circle, so go down a little bit and draw a slightly bigger circle. It should be the biggest one out of the 3. Then we're going to draw a slightly smaller one, just like that. Once we have that done, we're going to go on to step 3. We're going to start drawing the outlines for the face. So you want to start up here on your circle and go up and just kind of go like that. We're going to draw the snout. Just draw a straight line out. You're going to draw the nose area, so a slight bump on the nose, and then go to the mouth, and then put your little cheek grin there. And then you're going to draw the bottom of the mouth, and he's going to have his mouth open. We're going to draw the eyes right here above where we did our first step. Here on the top of the head, we're going to draw right below that a like little oval. Then just like that. And once you have that, we're going to move on to the next step, which will be doing the neck and the chest and the arms. So first we're just going to focus on the neck. And so they have a quite thick neck on the top of their neck, and then it kind of gets a little bit thinner as it goes down, just like that. Other side. And then we're going to be doing the chest area. You just go along with your circle here. Then you're going to go kind of towards the center of your line of motion. We're going to be doing the arm just like this. And then you're going to go like this, and just like that. And you're going to do the same thing over here. Next step, we're going to be doing the hands. I start kind of like where a human wrist has, and then just go down with it. And he's going to have 3 different fingers. And do the same thing on the other side. So you're going to do it just like that. Okay, now we're going to be moving on to the back and the chest area. So you're just going to connect lines to the outer edges of both your circles. So you're going to start right here, and you're just going to connect those circles together. Then we're going to be moving on to the legs. You want to first start off with kind of like a curve right here. Do the same thing and just go along the outer edges of your circle, your hip circle. And then, kind of like the calf, then you're going to go down just like that. And we're going to go on to the next step, which is the nether leg, which is the back leg. And you're kind of going to do the same thing. You're going to have a curve like that. And then you're going to go down kind of a straight line. This leg will be shorter than the other because it's in the back. And then you're going to go back here. Just like that, just like that. We're gonna move on to the feet. So first we're gonna go and do the center toe, and then you're just gonna draw another line right here. You're gonna go to the back where the back toe is, just like that. And then we're gonna put in the claws. So you're gonna have your first big claw, just like that. And we're gonna go on to the next one. Next claw, which is kind of hidden, so you're not going to have much there. You're going to go on to the next line right here, and you're going to do your final claw. Okay, and then we're going to go on to the next foot. So you're kind of going to do the same thing, but the foot is going to have a different orientation to it. Do one line in the middle, kind of like that. And then do another line, and do another line. You're going to do the claws again, and then make any kind of corrections you need to. Okay, the next step we're going to do is we're going to do the tail. So all you're going to do now is you're just going to go where the back is and kind of just make your line of motion in the center of the tail and just use it as your guide and just make the tail get smaller as it goes. Okay, after we get everything that you think looks nice and looks good, we're going to start erasing all the things that are unnecessary. So the circles and the line of motion would need to go. And the one last thing that we need to add is the teeth. So just put in little triangles for teeth. Just like that. Then once we're done with all that, we're gonna now move on to the inking process. So stick around and we'll jump over to that. So our next step is we're going to do the inking process. And so you can pick out whichever kind of ink pens you're going to use. I'm going to use a smaller ink pen, 02 micron for the face of the VELOCIRAPTOR. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the eyes. So you want to be very careful. And then after you get the eye done, you're going to draw the top of the head. So you're basically just going over your pencil sketch, just making clean lines. Okay, so now after you've done your line art, it should look something like this. And then we are going to erase all of our pencil lines with an eraser. Okay everyone, so once you have your line art drawn and your sketch lines erased, we're going to move on to the coloring now. And we're going to be using coloring pencils for this, but feel free to use any kind of materials that you would like. So feel free to customize your raptor in any way. So the first step is starting to sketch lightly with your pencil on any kind of, if you want to plan out your designs on the raptor. Alright guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this process and I hope this helped you learn how to draw a VELOCIRAPTOR. If you would like to see more tutorials and different videos like this,
smash the subscribe button.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.
Bye.